It's currently 25 degrees outside, and as you can see, the high tunnel has ice on it. And but inside, the temperature is 35 degrees. So, and it'll warm up real quick once the sun comes up. Even though the sky, well, it's got a few openings, but even if you don't actually see the sun, the radiant heat is going to start warming the greenhouse really quick. In fact, enough it's probably going to have just a little bit of ventilation, even though it's not going to get up into the 30s today. But most stuff is going to fare pretty good. We've got a little bit of moisture last night, so everything's kind of got ice on it, which when you have that moisture, it really helps. Even though it freezes, it keeps the leaves from drying out as much, so the damage is a lot less. Now, the little greenhouse, it's about 35 degrees, which is surprising because normally it doesn't stay very warm compared to the outside. But there's only a couple of pepper plants in there. It's got 2 pepper plants. The lettuce itself, it'll take really low temperatures. Now, well, it says it's 30 degrees in here. Now the center number, this is in the other greenhouse, and it's actually 34 degrees on that particular sensor. But one of the other ones, it's a little warmer. And those sensors are all up pretty high. So the ground temperature is going to be warmer because that's where the heat's going to radiate out. As you can see, none of these are really limped down. Like when they get froze, they limp down. Now some of them from moisture, and there might be a little bit of laying down because it might be getting a little cool air from the sides. I need to get some blocks and set over there because I have some air gaps. So it would have actually been warmer, but I'll probably take care of that today. We are going to get another low freezing temperatures tonight again. I think we're supposed to get down to 24 tonight. But it seems to be faring pretty good. Let's go in the other greenhouse. You can see where I've been walking, we're crushing some ice from. They had a little sleet last night. But I have one thermometer outside, so I can just get an idea of what the outside temperature actually is. And it reads here, which it says 25. They rotate now. It's 35 on this sensor. In the door here, it's actually just under 34. But you can see in here now, I actually have I had planted some cucumbers. I had intended to take these in just so they wouldn't get a chance of freezing, and they're faring okay. My peppers in the back that I'm trying to grow into pepper trees are they're doing good. They got moisture on them, which is common inside a greenhouse, but there's not any coldness, being we fastened it down pretty tight, and we do get a little ventilation from the sides, which is good because you want to kind of get rid of some of the humidity. It's actually 95% in here right now. That extra moisture really keeps things from getting too cold and ruining them. Now, I do have some drooping down here, but all this drooping is from last night, or or yesterday evening, I watered everything in. If you're going to have a freeze, it's always best if the plants have plenty of water, because, like I say, the freeze takes a lot of that out of them. So I always wet them down. But everything seems to be doing pretty good. Hopefully we'll probably get these mixed lettuce here put in the ground, and kind of a few things, a little bit of a change in here too.